Namaskaram everyone. Now today from thumbnail itself you all might have understood the good news that I am going to share in this video. I know from many days, so many days you all were constantly asking as to how is Sadhguru, where is he alright or not. People from literally all over the world were talking to me in different languages and asking about all these stuffs. So some screenshots I will show you. Some assume Sadhguru will never show his physical presence, while some wished him back in his motorbike as soon as possible. Some even said by listening to his recordings in Guru Purnima day, which I had posted in this video, that he needs more rest. Well, again he has released this recording today, and let's see what you say by listening to his voice. But I think you will say that he is very fine now. And after this recording of Sadhguru, I will also share some of the insights of Sadhguru as to how he is and what he has told and all that. So don't forget to watch the complete video. And so now let's listen to the small clip of Sadhguru.
Jaya 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 Mahadeva, Jaya 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 Mahadeva, Shiva Shankar Adi Anant, Shiva Shankar Adi Anant, Jaya Jaya Jaya, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Jaya, Jaya 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 Mahadeva, Jaya 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 Mahadeva, Jaya 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 Mahadeva, Shiva Shankar Adi Anant, Shiva Shankar Adi Anant, Jaya Jaya Jaya, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Jaya, Jaya 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 Mahadeva. Sun goes down not to rest, but to just light up another dimension of this planet. May you also be so. No matter where you go, you light up what is there around you. Namaskaram.
So, after so many days, after listening to him, how you all are feeling? I was literally very happy when I listened to him, and also the beautiful sunrise that he showed us in his recording. Now coming back to the main thing, even after knowing this, many of you had still asked me that where he is and why he is not coming in camera and all stuff. Well, he is in Isha Institute of Inner Sciences, Tennessee, USA. He is good and he is recovering well. You all might have understood from his voice itself. Now what I would like to say is, in many of my videos in which I had shown the recordings on the day of Guru Purnima or on the day of the first darshan after surgery, which were available only to few people, we have clearly heard his guidelines as to what he wants from us to be our sadhana, what all things to follow or do, and many other things. So this time also it's all the same, and after listening to this audio, I think he will be there between us in very few days. So are you ready to present yourself in front of him in the way he wants? Are you doing your sadhana? I already made a video on what Sadhguru had asked us to do before leaving Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore in India. Do you remember that? He clearly told us to identify that what we are doing compulsively and what we are doing consciously, and work on the compulsive part, as the spiritual process is not about being disciplined, but it's being conscious enough. And for this, what step he has told us to take? Do you remember? Well, I have already told it in this video, you can watch this video. He also told something to do before eating. Are you following it? He told to read his quotes before 10 AM and just intake it in yourself. Are you remembering? Our Guru has also asked us to do our sadhana daily. Do not think about tomorrow or what happened yesterday. Just do it today. Are you aware of it? In few days, when he will be there between us, in front of us, how we are going to present him? Even if you are someone who do not know what Sadhguru has told before leaving India and you are not following it, and if you really wish to do and meet Sadhguru with a new version of it, just start doing it. Even on the day of Guru Purnima, our Guru has asked us to keep something that we identify it with our Guru, whether it's sadhana or something else. This is how important our sadhana is for all of us, or being conscious is for all of us. Our Guru is reminding this to us again and again. The only thing is, are you following it is a question. He has given us so powerful weapon in the name of sadhana, whether it's Shambhavi or Isha Kriya or Hatha Yoga or Nadi Suddhi or Yoga Namaskar. We cannot imagine how much powerful they are. Only if someone who is doing his or her sadhana daily, regularly, might be knowing the power of all these if he is sensitive enough. Whether you like it or not, just do your sadhana, be happy, be conscious. Your internal chemistry will automatically change all by itself. No efforts you have to put. You just have to put effort on doing your sadhana and being conscious. And so now, at last, winding up, hope you loved the video and found it meaningful. And just don't forget to comment down in the comment box that whether you are active in the sadhana or not. And if you haven't watched these 2 videos of Sadhguru to know more details as to what he has told, just watch these videos and start your mission. Whether you like it or not, just do it. Just remember one thing. This thing, while I was getting initiated in inner engineering, many times I came in front of this line which really impacted me, and I always recall this line as, if you really feel something as important, you will surely do it. And if you don't feel it important, you won't do it. So just ask yourself this question: is your Guru important to you? Is his guidelines and tools as important as Sadhguru himself? To make us better function in this world, our Guru has provided us with weapon. Is it important for you or not? Just ask this question to yourself. And once you get the answer, you know what you have to do next. And now, closing the video, do not forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. And I have also given the link of these 2 videos in the description. Hope you enjoyed it by listening to Sadhguru's voice. And now, up to next, stay safe, healthy, happy, and namaskar.